The wax is almost ready, but we're going to go on to Isabel. What I love about this is you guys even here on the show, you can see through a lot of your shirts and stuff. So this is called Isabel. It comes in a thick and a thin, and what it's able to do is you're able to wear your jeans. I don't know about you, but I kept getting holes in my shirts, and I'd go back to the company and say, why am I getting this little hole in my shirt? And it was caused from my belt buckle or your button.
Right, catching and rubbing on your jeans.
Catching and rubbing. Isabel fits sizes all the way up to probably 18 plus. They're about $16.95 to $19.95, and it'll literally sit seamless under your jeans. Travel friendly through the airport. It's slimming. It's that fashion fix-it. It's absolutely amazing.
And it actually smooths the look out of everything bulky
no more
under,
butt
too.
crack showing
like
and
that.
stuff like that when you bend over. And it's travel friendly. You can kind of go through the thing. They come in these great little packets. Once again, easy to travel during the summertime, and it'll fit all year round. You don't have that bulk or that bulge. If you have those pants on, you need a belt. I mean, belt buckles are pretty, but you don't want a big belt buckle showing through your shirt.
It doesn't slip around because it's that plastic that grabs.
No, size or shape, it's